Harfield.
Hello.
I have good news.
Yes?
It was successful.
Yay!
I'll go get the trial.
Bark.
There's just one thing, Mrs. Harfield,
Yes?
that I forgot to tell you. There's one thing about him.
What?
He has a rare gene. He has the cat gene.
No! No!
I'm sorry, Mrs. Harfield.